In this video, we're going to do unit conversions with the fx-260 Solar 2. So let's say you had something like 7.8 kilometers per hour, right? And you wanted to change this to something like, meters per second. How do we do something like this? Well, first of all, we need to go from kilometers to meters. Sometimes you have this in your mind, memorized, or you have a table, but you have to have some way to convert it. There's 1,000 meters in a kilometer. Most instructors or teachers will do it where they'll have 1 meter to a kilometer. And you can use something like Siri. Hey Siri, 1 meter is how many kilometers?
1 meter is 0.001 kilometers.
For whatever reason, instructors think this is easier, and it's not. Kilo means 1,000, so you can go either way for the conversion. And then for hours, right, 1 hour, how many seconds are there? Well, there's about, 3,600 seconds, okay? And you can ask Siri, or you can look it up somewhere for the conversion. And that's all we need. So, 7.8 kilometers per hour. This is also called, what we're going to do right now in conversions, is more dimensional analysis, because there's more than one unit that we're converting. And we do a cross table like this, okay, where we have the numerator and the denominator. So down here, we're going to use kilometers, and up here, we're going to use the meters, okay? So we're going to do that. So let's do 1 kilometer, right, is 1,000 meters. You can easily use 0.001 kilometers to 1 meter. But I like this conversion. It's easier to remember. And over here we have hours in the bottom. So 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. Okay, so what we can do is we can multiply across and then divide. So 7.8 times 1,000, that's going to give you 7,800, divided by 3,600, okay? Divided by 36, because 1 times 1 times 3,600 is 3,600. So we divide by 3,600 equals 2.166, and that's going to be meters per second, okay? So kilometers crosses out kilometers, hours cross hours, and then we got meters per second. Okay. So what about 7.8 kilometers per hour, right? But this time we want miles per hour, right? It's something different. So we need miles. So we need to convert kilometers to miles, or miles to kilometers. Let's see. Hey Siri, 1 mile is how many kilometers?
1 mile is 1.61 kilometers.
Kilometers. So 1 mile is equal to 1.61 kilometers. So if we're going to change this to kilometers to hours to miles per hour, same thing, 7.8 kilometers per hour, right? And then we're going to change the kilometers into miles. So 1.61 kilometers for every 1 mile, right? So we can cancel out the kilometers. And that's going to be 7.8 divided by 1.61. this times that, right? This is 1 hour, by the way. 7.8 divided by 1.61 equals 4.8447 miles per hour, right? Pretty straightforward. Now what about something simpler? Let's say we had 8.64 centimeters, okay? And we want to change that into meters. All right, so an easy way is 100 centimeters, centi meaning 100. 100 centimeters is in 1 meter. So, to do this, we do a table like that, right? 100 centimeters in 1 meter. You can see that these cancel out. And then we say, and here's a 1, by the way. So this is going to be 8.64 divided by 100. 8.64 divided by 100. And that's equal to 0.0864. And that's going to be meters. And if you need to change this to scientific notation, right? 8.64 times 10 to the 1, 2, negative 2, right? Meters. Okay. So that's it. That's how we use the Casio fx-260 Solar 2 by setting up the problem so you can do it in your calculator. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up. Please tell your friends. Please tell your teacher. I hope you subscribe. You have a great semester. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.